Your next car could be the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Make the most of family outings in this refined and secure Corsair. From its silky smooth ride and touchscreen infotainment to its confidence-inspiring capability, this luxury compact SUV has you covered in style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, 360-degree view car camera, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate, heated driver's seat, satellite radio. There's never been a better time to indulge in the luxury you deserve. Get behind the wheel of this impressive Corsair. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.